Namaste, Guruji. First and foremost, congratulations to the host. It's the first satsang, and I would say this is a big blessing. Big blessing. And all those who are here, it's an equal, very big blessing for all of us who have been blessed and chosen by Guruji to attend the blessed satsang. Not that those who are not here, they are not blessed. They are equally very blessed, and probably it depends whether they were able to make it or they were not able to make it. But Guruji's blessings is always there on them, because it's a first satsang, and I believe there would be few new sangat. So just would like to share what Guruji's the old sangat and what we've learned. I would say the process and how we should follow and we should believe. Anyway, first, everyone's connection is very unique. So see how Auntie said that, from a struggler to a contender. And I would say it's not only for you, it would be for everyone. And everyone would have their own, of course, highs and lows, and everyone is blessed. First and foremost, everyone is blessed. And based on our karmas, we have our own good deeds and whatever baggage we are carrying either from the past life or even knowingly, unknowingly we've done. So yes, karma we have to face, but what we say, when we surrender to Guruji, 90% of the karmas are taken care by him. It's only 10% that what we yes. And that 10% also, if we feel, which I also say again, when I say we is first, I always say I talk about myself. So that 10% also seems to be very huge. Imagine had it been full 100%, then how it would have been. Probably we would have collapsed. So it's his blessings that he has kept us in his lotus feet, and he's giving us strength to overcome everything, and the transformation that we get by coming into his lotus feet and by practicing what there is no preachings first, but by practicing and following, trying to be a good human, trying not to think anything which we consider as not good. Means when we say we, means it's given in our shastras, right? So let's not do anything which is wrong. Let's not think anything which is wrong. Let's not speak anything which is wrong. Till the time we are doing good, I think we are all blessed. And important, Langar Prasad, what we have like Jal Prasad and Chai Prasad and Langar Prasad followed. This is a big blessing. And what Guruji in the past, when he was in physical chola, this Langar Prasad basically is not it's medicine. It cures and heals us from inside, whether it's maybe any disease or it's cleansing of a soul. Everything would be done by the Langar Prasad. And it's said that Langar Prasad, when eaten now at the satsang, it's a medicine, but if not now, then it's just like a padhart, a food which we will have anywhere. That's what I think Guruji is making me speak at the moment. So, and I can talk about just last before I conclude that I was sick for almost more than a month. I'm talking about January 2024 after coming from India, and it was that bad, just changing doctors, specialists from one to another, hundreds of tests, but even like medicines were not working. And that 1 month I did not attend any satsang. And one fine evening, I think it would be 22nd or 25th day, I just told my husband, I think I'm taking all the medicines and nothing is working, but I have missed on my very important medicine, which is Langar Prasad, which I did not have, for almost a month. So from that day, the thought that Guruji gave me, I went to satsang 7 consecutive days. And trust me, the third day itself, whatever I had, I don't know, means if I talk about in medical terms, it was different things that were diagnosed. But after 7 days of attending the satsang, having the Langar Prasad, which is a medicine, till today I feel the problem that I was facing then, I am not facing. Okay, I might have something else which is different, but what I was facing then, I have not experienced. So that's actually the power of Labra Prasad and how it works as a medicine. Jai Guruji and Shukrana Guruji. Anantam Shukrana.